What's wrong? Tell me what's wrong. Can you tell Mimi what's wrong?
I'm gonna sit on the chair.
Sit on the chair, okay? I'm fixing the TV. Come on, I gotta go to work. I gotta go to work, baby. I have to go to work. Can you give me kisses? Please? Please don't throw a fit. Hey, come here. Can I have a kiss? Can Mimi have a kiss? For a minute, just for a second, okay? I have to go to work, Elliot. Okay, I love you. I love you. Yes, I do. I love you. It's okay. You're tired. Are you tired? Are you tired? Are you tired? Take a nappy then.
No, I'm not tired. I'm angry.
Why are you angry? Because Mommy had to go to work?
No.
Well, then why are you angry? I don't understand.
Because you need to go to work.
Well, I do have to go to work, yes. I'll see you on Saturday. I see you on Saturday. James will be here. Well, that's too bad. He's going to be here. Okay, well, I got to go. I guess I'm not getting a kiss. I'm not going to get a kiss. I have to. Stop it. He's coming tonight. Elliot, stop. Okay, well, bye-bye. Bye-bye, love. I love you. I hope you feel better soon. I hope you feel better soon. Where's your socks? Where's your socks and shoes? Why'd you take them off? That's silly. It's cold in here.
I don't feel cold.
Okay, well, TV be on in a minute, unless you want me to turn it off. If you're going to have a fit, I'm going to turn it off.
No.
Well, then, stop the screaming. Now, give me a kiss so I can go. Okay, well, I love you. With all my heart. I'll see you Saturday. Oh, no. Be a good boy for Papa, okay?
I don't like Papa.
Yes, you do like Papa.
I don't.
You love Papa. Now, stop it.
I don't like him anymore.
Why? Why? Elliot. Oh, Papa.
Why is Papa watching a baby
What?
show?
You don't have to watch a baby show. He'll watch whatever you want, okay? I'll tell him.
No.
Okay, I gotta go. Bye.